On the deck there's a highway, cool wind in my hair. One smile of glitters, rising up to the air. Up ahead of the sun, sour summer breeze. Everybody at the cycling team, I stop for the night. My sister didn't do it. I heard a bishop bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. That's a little topic, can't go. Show me the way. There were places down in the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the hotel. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Beautiful of the hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. My body's suffering a twist. She's got a Mercedes Benz. She's got a lot of pretty, pretty bodies. It's a cool friends. How we dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some nights to remember, some nights to forget. So I could have got in. Please bring me more. He said we haven't had this spirit here since 1969. See those voices are calling from far away. Oh, in the middle of the night, turn outside. Welcome to your hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. We're at the hotel California. What a nice surprise when you're out around. Mirrors on the ceiling, picture families. When you're all just pleasing to sleep on our own device. In my sissy room, headed for the fields. Standing with the stealing knives, but I just can't get the peace. Last night in my life, I was looking for